Struggling to get interviews? Resume Worded or Jobscan, which actually gets you hired in 2026? I tested both extensively, and the results are eye-opening. Hit that like button and let's break this down. Quick context. Jobscan specializes in ATS optimization. It scans your resume against job descriptions and gives you a match score with keyword suggestions. Resume Worded takes a different approach. It evaluates your resume across 30 plus criteria like bullet point strength, action verbs, and career progression, without needing a job description. Core philosophy. This is crucial. Jobscan asks, does your resume match this job? Resume Worded asks, is your resume fundamentally strong? Jobscan requires you to paste job descriptions every single time. Resume Worded scores your resume instantly, no job description needed. For active job seekers, applying to dozens of positions, that's a massive time difference. Quality of feedback. Resume Worded gives you line-by-line feedback on 30 plus factors, weak action verbs, missing quantified achievements, formatting issues, even filler words. It's like having a recruiter review every bullet point. Jobscan focuses heavily on keyword matching, sometimes recommending you add soft skills like teamwork and communication directly to your resume, which recruiters actually see as a red flag. They want to see these demonstrated, not listed. The LinkedIn factor. Both optimize LinkedIn, but Resume Worded's approach is more comprehensive. It analyzes your headline, summary, and experience sections with specific suggestions. Jobscan's LinkedIn optimization feels more basic, mostly keyword analysis. Pricing reality. Resume Worded Pro, $19. Month annually, $33. Month quarterly. Jobscan, $50. Month or $90 quarterly. That's nearly triple the cost for Jobscan, yet Resume Worded has better ratings, 4.8 stars on Trustpilot versus Jobscan's 4.5. The real difference. Here's what matters. Jobscan can create ATS-friendly resumes that pass filters but might feel generic to human recruiters. Resume Worded creates resumes that impress both ATS and humans. And here's the kicker. Resume Worded users report getting compliments from hiring managers on their resumes, not just getting past the initial scan. Bottom line, use Jobscan if you're laser-focused on matching specific job descriptions and have budget flexibility. Choose Resume Worded if you want a fundamentally stronger resume at a better price that works across multiple applications. For most job seekers, Resume Worded delivers better value. Links to both platforms below. Subscribe for honest tech reviews that save you money, and comment which tool you're choosing. See you in the next one.